Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Fold, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the power mode. It's right here. So you can tap on it, and by default it looks like it's gonna, oops, meant to tap on it. There we go. So by default it looks like it gives you a medium power saving mode, which is just limitation of the device but keeping it still the same, and it gives you a couple things that it does. So turns off always on display, limits the CPU to 70%, brightness down, and you can basically disable the ones that you don't want if that's not your thing. Brightness as well, you can change it to whatever you want, and from there tap on apply and it gets applied. And there we go, now it's enabled. So in this mode, power saving mode, the normal one, apart from limiting the brightness and CPU, stuff like that, it will also limit how often the device connects to a network, and then thus also gets notifications. So as before you would get notifications every time they're being sent to you, now you will be getting them in bulk after, for instance, a couple of minutes. So yeah. Now, this is just a normal, the semi-power saving mode, but you also have a super intensive one. If you tap on the text, as you just seen, tap on the text, and you have the maximum power saving mode, so you can enable this. Again, the same options right here, but when you enable it, you'll immediately see that it does a little bit more. So number one, the background is gonna be black everywhere, all around basically. Removing anything that doesn't need to be lit up. The black background on here isn't lit up, so it saves the battery. As you can see, you have only the essential apps, and if you pull down the notification panel, you again have limited amount of toggles that you can interact with: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile data plus localization, and that's all. That is the best power saving mode you can get here. And if you want to leave it, tap on the toggle once more, and this will simply go back to the normal functioning mode. And there we go, we should be back in normal mode. As you can see, it's disabled. So that is how you would enable and disable the power saving mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.